On this episode, I'm going to be showing how you can change out your old dryer vent connection from the back of your dryer into a more modern, more aesthetic looking and quick disconnect version. So make sure you stay tuned. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. If you look in the back of your dryer, you might see the same similar setup that you have the hose all jumbled up, going in different sections, and sometimes too much of the hose will then suddenly be pushed onto the wall, bunch of pile up on the back, and it just looks very crowded back there. It doesn't look aesthetically pleasing. I'm gonna show you a way that you can route this so that it take it out really fast, so that you easy for cleanup, not worry about unclamping or disconnecting the hoses using those clamps. Those are hard to put on a 90-degree bend to the wall or to the other side. You're going to use the MV90, which is 90 degrees. If your vent goes right across the wall, say here's your dryer, it goes directly to the wall, you're going to be using the product MV180. I made a separate video on that already, so check out this video right here if you're interested on how to install this MV180. For those of you who watched that video and requested to show you a video on how to install the MV90, this is the video for you. So just a heads up, this product is only meant for electric dryers only. So if you have an electric dryer, just make sure that you unplug it. You wear any type of cut resistant gloves because you're going to be working with a lot of sharp edges on this video. I'm just using my cordless drill for this one, but if you have any screwdriver or flathead, that will work as well. Just disconnect that. See all that lint? We're going to go follow this to the dryer, and we can just disconnect this as well. If this is loose, you can just shimmy it off like that. You can either save this, it's up to you, but for me, we're just gonna dispose of this because there's a lot of lint in here. So now that you have that vent open, it's actually the best time now to go and vacuum that before we install this product. So doing these renovations and upgrades, I always find very interesting things. Like for this one right here, there's no netting. If you're interested on upgrading your outside vent duct for your dryer, I actually made a separate video on that, which will help you a lot. Check this video out if you have this issue where you don't have any type of screen or anything from blocking any critters from going through your dryer vent. Make sure you watch this video first before you go watch this one. What you want to do is you want to take your tape measure and you want to measure from the wall up to the center of where the dryer vent is. And for this one, now depending on where you want to place the dryer, whether it be more here, make sure you position your dryer to where you actually want to do it when you push it into the wall. It could be closer to the wall, a little bit further. It's completely up to you. My measurements will be completely different from yours. Your reading here is 17.5, but if you want to make life easier, just move your dryer a little more inches to the left or right and make it into the whole number. For me, I'm just going to move my dryer more to the right so that it can be on the 18-inch mark. Again, if you need a MagVent MV90 or MV180, I'll leave both of those links on the description down below, along with any tools and equipment that I use within this video. Check out those links down below. Here's your two-piece. So this is what comes inside the box. Comes with the instructions, comes with some hardware as well, and here's the two-sided magnet. See how strong that is. You want to disconnect this hanger that's connecting to the back and push out like so. Just take your tape measure and measure how high this exit vent is, and this one's reading about 6 inches on the center. What we're going to do is we're going to transfer that about 6-inch centers up here from the floor up to, in this case I have drywall, but if you have baseboards that are higher that goes to the wood, then you won't need any drywall anchors. Like what I mentioned, it's 18 from the wall, so we're going to measure 18 and we're going to mark 18 right here, 6 inches high. Here to here I made my mark and I wrote it down for you friends what I got. So it's 6-inch high, 18-inch from this dot all the way to the wall. I'm going to place the center of this hanger right on that dot. Take our drywall screws and puncture it in through there. It's up to you where you want to place the other 3. For me, I'm gonna place 2 more at the top and 1 on the bottom. If you have a level, you can use a level as well to make sure that this is nice and straight. Just mark it, just like that. So now it's into test fit mode. Just take this off. There we go. I'm gonna measure up to where this connection is. Magvet doesn't provide you with this extra pieces, so you can go to your local hardware store to buy this extra sheet metal tubing and connections if you need one. And if you need those as well, I'll leave the link on the description down below. But these you can just buy at your Lowe's or Home Depot. There is a slight bend on your connection. You can use this as well right here, and you can orient it so that it can go on different directions. But for us, we got lucky on this one because it's just a straight shot. We're just gonna use one straight tubing. From here to here, it measures up to 14, but we'll just measure 13 3/4. 13 3/4 is right here. Make that straight line. Take your aviation snips to cut this. And now we're just gonna test fit it. And you can just connect it like this. Just like that. Now before we do that, I wanna add a little bit of extra, so I'm gonna put a little bit of ventilation foil tape. This 3M bent tape. It's made for heat, high heat tape. If you need one of these, I'll leave in the description down below as well. And we're gonna wrap it around, so just in case. Now you don't really need to put this, but for me, I want to put it so that I know for sure that it won't get disconnected along the way. Easier for yourself, and apply this like that. You don't want to peel the whole thing, okay? You want to peel it as you go. Makes it a lot easier for you. This is completely optional. Hey there friends, great and big news for you. We finally made our own merch, which is this 46-in-1 pocket tool. It has a screwdriver, a wrench, it has a ruler, a protractor, and so much more. I'll list all the features right here. It comes into this really cool leather case so that you can easily put it in there so it doesn't damage your wallet. And it also comes with a second color, which is silver. Our logo laser engraved on there, so it'll never fade. Whenever you're in that emergency situation, it's always gonna be with you. So these are now available on my Fix This House website, fixthishouse.net. I'll leave the link on the description down below. If you get one of these, it will greatly help out the channel. This is a great way to help and support what we do here at Fix This House. Thank you so much for all the love and support. So stay tuned because I have more merch for Fix This House that's coming soon. Again, this is made out of really strong steel. And try it out for yourself, friends. Help support the channel. Thank you so much. Let's get back to the episode. So now is the easiest part. All you gotta do is put it in through here. Feed it through that vent. Feed it in through, just like that. This one's a little different. We're gonna start at the back. Feed this right here. Put it around. Smooth install. Now you tell me. This looks aesthetically pleasing. It's a lot more simpler, and you don't have much of these vent hoses going all over the place and getting crushed by the dryer when you push it back. It's just straight to the point, easy install, and it looks really, really good. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think, what it looks like. If you have one of these, let me know in the comment section down below as well. But let's get to the final part, which is installing the other side to the main dryer itself. If you stretch this out, this goes up to about 1 feet length. But what I like to use is these bandings right here. This is a 4-inch banding with a key. So you don't need a screwdriver or a flathead or anything. It's super easy and simple to use. And this is what I like to use on all of my banding types. Put it right here. It's nice and tight right there. Boom. That's not gonna go anywhere. See that? It looks so clean, looks so much better. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. What looks better? This one or the old version, but definitely this one. And check this out. If you ever want to go and clean this out manually, just, you know, for your annual cleanup, all you got to do is take your dryer, pull it back out like this, and it just disconnects easily like that. Go clean, get your cleaning tool, clean out whatever, vacuum whatever, and then just like that, easily connects and disconnects in an instant. So there you have it, friends, our installation of the MV90. Again, makes it so aesthetically pleasing, and it makes your dryer and the back of your dryer looks so clean and very easy to maintain, especially when you need to try to get in the back of there, clean up any clog or debris in there. You're doing your annual cleanup for your dryer to take out all that lint. And again, friends, if you need the direct one for the wall, you need the MV180. I'll leave that in the description as well. And check out this video right here on how to install that one. It's quite similar to this one, but this one takes a little bit more step. But again, friends, I highly recommend this one or the MV180 because it's such a great product. If you need this MV90 and an MV180, I'll leave the links on the description down below for those links and also for the tools that I use in this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what your experience is with these MagnaVents. Do you like it, or do you have great experiences with it? So far, the two that I've installed works out perfect. Highly recommend it for the everyday DIYer, for homeowners, renters alike. Thank you so much, friends. If you found this video super helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next video.